Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. In honor of National Cookie Day, I'm going to make some chocolate chip cookies. No, they're keto. They're sugar-free, but I think they're going to be an excellent cookie. Come on. Now, this is not my recipe. The recipe I got from heyketomama.com, and we will put a link to that page down here. To start out with, we're going to take butter and brown sweetener, cream it together. It's cold butter. You can use your mixer, or you can use a spatula, whatever you got handy. Obviously a mixer will make this a lot faster, but we're going to go with what I have out. I've got the oven preheating to 400 degrees. I also have a cookie pan sitting over there in the other side of the kitchen there that's covered in parchment paper. Yes, a big shout out to Roy Shows for telling me that, alright, not just me, but for telling us that today is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. I didn't have anything sweet here in the house. Okay, my version of sweet, okay? So, I was trying to figure out what to make. And thanks to him, now I know. I went to Pinterest, found some delicious sounding cookies. I had all of the ingredients here. So, that's what we're making. Okay, let's see here. Now that I've got that cream together, I'm going to put the egg in, and we're going to get it creamy. Going to get this stirred all around in it. The egg needs to be cold. Not a room temperature egg. That's what they say to do in it. I'm sure it makes a difference in the batter. So we're just going to get this good and creamy. I'm actually going to switch to a I'm going to switch to a whisk for just a minute. Switch this around and whisk it up. Yeah, I'll make these again. I'm going to get my mixer out. Okay. Now, switch back to the spatula. It actually, her directions actually say to switch back to the spatula now. And clean up your mess in the process. We're going to go ahead now and 1 cup at a time, we're going to fold in our almond, or half a cup at a time, I'm sorry. We're going to fold in our almond flour. We're also going to fold in our baking soda and our salt. And I'll put that in the last bit. Let me get you up here just a wee bit. My goodness. Get your nose out of the bowl. Okay. And our last bit of almond flour. let's see here. Baking soda. Definitely make sure you're using baking soda, not baking powder. This is a half teaspoon measure here, so. My other one's broke. Alright. And our salt. We're going to put half a teaspoon of salt in. I bet this would be really good with some of those, some of the Lily's salted caramel chips. Oh my word, I'll bet you it would be. Now, the recipe calls for some pecans, but I'm not going to put that in here. If I do, then I wouldn't get to eat it. So, that's why. Alright. Get this rest of this stirred up really good. You know, I'm going to set this on top of there so I can hold that steady. Alright. Now we're going to put our sugar-free chocolate chips in. I'm just going to use that measure here for that. Yummy, yummy. In our tummy. How about that? Oops. I had to borrow one. Okay. Now, get this towel back over here and let's get these chocolate chips folded into this dough. Then we'll step over here to the other counter where our baking sheet is waiting for us. The batter looks great. I got that on my finger, so I had to get it off. I can tell you it tastes really good, y'all. Let's scoop out some cookies. Yes, these cookies are going to taste so good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I didn't want to lose any of that batter, of course. That cookie batter, cookie dough, whatever you want to call it. Well, you know, a little bit did kind of hop in my mouth. I'm just going to mash these down a little bit. I'm hoping. I always have that problem. I often have the problem of my cookies sticking together. And with one stick of butter, I should imagine these are going to spread quite a bit. So, there we go. Let's take these over here, pop them in the oven. Preheated oven. And let's see. I'll see y'all in. I was supposed to chill it. Oh no, I was supposed to chill the dough. That's what I get. Okay, I'm gonna bake them for 12 minutes. We'll see what happens. I know they're gonna taste good. I just forgot to chill the dough. Should have read the instructions first. We'll see. Okay, definitely not 10 to 12 minutes if you forget to put them in the refrigerator. But I'm telling you, they still smell good. They're a little on the brown side, but they smell good. And I will taste them when they cool down. Okay. Little on the brown side. They are cool enough for me to take a taste of now. They're still soft though. But look at that, how buttery inside. They're not really as dark as they look on camera. I don't know why. Oh, I know why they're looking so dark. Because I turned off all my lighting. It is good though. Again, we'll put that link to the recipe. Just remember to, if you're gonna make these, refrigerate your dough. They're nice and buttery and they are tasty though. Make these. Do make these. Make them. Let me know if you made them. Let me know what you think about them. Go to their channel, go to their webpage. Let them know what you think about their cookies. These are good, y'all. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.